Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am Vijay, I'm your organizer for JavaScriptLA, and I just wanted to say thank you for checking out this channel. Let me walk you around if you've got a few minutes. So the first thing you'll want to check out are our meetup videos, and the meetup videos are basically pretty much snapshots of the last few meetups that we've had for the last like 3-4 years. And so there's a lot of great information in those videos. We started off as a group in Los Angeles and we did JavaScript meetups, hence the name JavaScriptLA. And then slowly we kind of expanded over to Orange County and we started doing meetups there as well. And then, we also expanded into other areas of SoCal, including Woodland Hills. And so we started associating with Farmers Insurance, which that's why you'll see the sponsor Farmers on JavaScriptLA. And, so now we are in this coronavirus crisis, right? And so everybody's staying at home, and so we're doing meetups online. And what we've noticed is that the meetups being online are a lot more, satisfying to a lot of our original group because they weren't able to drive around, all the time to LA or Orange County and just to see a meetup. So having it online actually kind of works better. And that kind of gives us an opportunity to work with the rest of the world on YouTube. So if you're somebody from another state or maybe watching from a different part of the world, I welcome you. Thank you for joining this particular channel. Now, because we're online, that kind of gives us more opportunity to do more things, right? First and foremost, it gives me the opportunity to do more YouTubing. And so I kind of did some YouTube videos when I first started this channel, and if you kind of look at some of those videos, they're kind of old, they don't have my face or anything like that. But I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get out of being shy and just go on camera and just really try to like practice with, doing the whole YouTube thing. So from time to time, you'll see me doing coding, you'll see me doing walkthroughs of different JavaScript frameworks or maybe JavaScript syntax. And other times we might be doing programming together. I had been thinking about maybe doing a Twitch channel as well, but that could be just more like just doing live streaming of coding. I'm not sure just yet how I'm going to format that, but bear with me. For now, it's just the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is going to have, again, meetup videos, and we're going to have those continuously. So we're going to continue to have meetups and that's our bread and butter, first of all, right? So we have meetups with speakers from around LA and Orange County, but now also the country. Come and give talks. So if you're a YouTuber or you're somebody who is a specialist with a certain aspect of programming, we invite you to come and check out, this community, right? And I think that's the thing that's going to set us apart from other YouTube channels, right? The other YouTube channels, they're more kind of just guided by one person or, just a single, maybe like one or two people, right? Like doing coding tutorials. However, this is a community and it's more like sharing of best practices and ideas. So beyond the YouTube channel, there's a Slack community, there's a Discord community, there's also social media. You can follow us on Facebook, you can follow us on Instagram, you can follow us on LinkedIn. And you can pretty much chat with us and ask us questions. And so I invite everybody kind of watching this video to come to our Slack or our Discord and just ask questions. What do you want to learn? What do you want to hear about? What are you interested in? See, the thing about a community is that it gives people the chance to learn from each other, as opposed to just hearing, oh, this is good, that's good. Like one YouTuber said this, another YouTuber said that. We kind of condense it for you and we kind of give you, okay, this is probably where it makes most sense to pay most of your attention. And that's kind of also where I fall into. I started off as a mentor for a lot of coding bootcamp students. I used to work at a coding bootcamp school. And I did a lot of coding tutorials at that coding bootcamp school. And then I decided, you know what, I'll try the YouTube thing. And so far it's been so good to me. So I'm doing more of the mentorship here. So what do you expect in me? You can see that I will be your mentor. I'll be sort of the facilitator. I'll try to help you find good tutorials, good best practices, good speakers. So, if you want to learn about certain aspects of JavaScript, you can. And by the way, we are also expanding outside of JavaScript. So sometimes you might see the HackBuddy logo. And that just basically means that it gives us an opportunity to talk about stuff beyond just JavaScript, right? We can talk about other languages like Go, maybe PHP, maybe also Python. I wanted to get more into the data structures and algorithms parts of computer science, as well as, I was thinking maybe also doing a little bit of peeling back the layers of a computer, right? I want us to get more in touch with what goes on at the lower level, not just at the higher level, because it makes altogether more fun, learning about computers and understanding how our programs, compile down into, bits and bytes. So those are really cool things that HackBuddy gives us sort of more power to do, or more leeway to do. So with that, I just wanted to finally kind of say, subscribe. If you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up. And if there are things that you want to learn about, put comments in the video, as well as join the Discord, join the Slack, and then be sure to check out our Meetup videos. And then, like I said, I'll also be doing videos quite often. I'm going to be doing more on just coding tutorials, and then maybe also trying with the live stream. I'll see, if it's something I can do, I'll jump on when I have the time. And but that said, tell your friends about this channel. Tell your coworkers about this channel, because we want all of you to join, be a part of this community, and we want you to prosper. We want you to have more opportunities in life. We want you to succeed with your programming. All right, I'll see you at the next meetup. Thanks so much for checking us out.